The Landing House by Industry of All Nations in Joshua Tree, United States. The Landing House is a modern wood pavilion integrated into the rugged natural landscape of the Mojave Desert, against the backdrop of California's Joshua Tree National Park. Approximately 130 miles east of Los Angeles, and only minutes from the entrance to Joshua Tree National Park, the Landing House is seemingly worlds away. Designed with sustainability at its core, and at every turn, the home masterfully blends into the layout, textures, and color palette of its desert canvas. A breathtaking discovery. On a visit to the region in 2019, the brothers were struck by the natural attributes of the area, including its otherworldly landscape and natural light patterns. Creatively inspired, they purchased a 5-acre parcel of land where they could apply interesting architectural techniques to the realization of their vision of an integrated retreat nestled into the untouched desert landscape. The land was blessed with the presence of iconic Joshua trees, abundant natural boulder formations, and majestic views, providing the sense of being in a national park within a national park. Within a stone's throw of a pair of Joshua trees, the designers envisioned the house as a metaphoric fallen branch. Their design focused on eco-humility, beginning with a low-profile volumetric scale of 9 feet to ensure that the structure would not impose on the landscape. A desert retreat. The Landing House has emerged as a refuge designed for privacy and tranquility, available for the world at large to experience as a vacation rental hosted by Homestead Modern. A 400-yard private road leads through terrain flanked by Joshua trees, winding its way to a 9-foot-high horizontal wall that fully conceals the house. A strategically planted dancing yucca tree welcomes guests and demarcates the Landing House's integrated entrance. Through the smartly concealed entrance, first glimpses of the house emerge from a breezeway landing dividing 2 volumes to the left and right, with an open courtyard straight ahead that frames the Mojave Desert and overlooks a plunge pool. Blurring the lines. The Landing House's warm and thoughtful balance of natural materials and modern amenities provides a comforting core, in the embrace of an untouched native landscape. The floor plan features 2 bookend bedroom suites, with the breezeway landing connecting the house as 2 wings. At one end, a bedroom suite with a uniquely designed round window connects to a main floor plan encompassing a living room, a kitchen, and a dedicated workspace. To the other side of the breezeway, a second bedroom with private access, known as the pool suite, occupies roughly a third of the house. All internal spaces of the Landing House are clad in cedar wall paneling, with slightly polished concrete floors, and thoughtfully designed white oak furniture. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors provide unobstructed views of the pristine desert landscape, and all areas of the floor plan overlook a plunge pool in the courtyard. A deep breath of serenity. A concrete platform extends perpendicularly from the breezeway landing to the plunge pool, with its monolithic and geometric form designed for soulful moments overlooking the vast beauty of Joshua Tree National Park. To the right, a separate structure houses a carport with a solar-paneled roof, providing vehicles with a necessary reprieve from the hot desert sun. To the left, a fire pit is hand-carved into a boulder that has been left in place. Concealed from the courtyard, but intimately tucked away just around the corner, a sculptural landing pad with yoga mats sets the stage for Zen moments against the backdrop of a natural rock formation. Framed by oxidized solid steel, the landing pad is filled with a compacted base of desert soil, further integrating it into the natural landscape. A testament to sustainability. On the boundary of Joshua Tree National Park, the Landing House has emerged as a prime example of eco-sensitive stewardship and sustainable architecture. Its non-intrusive horizontal form complements its natural surroundings, providing balance to the designer's vision of peaceful coexistence with the environment. Furthermore, with the landing H.Us integrated into the existing terrain, its landscape architecture is delivered courtesy of Mother Nature.